Good, Maya. Area, baby. Why can we even
Brandon,
multiply the
share your
length
partner.
times the width?
To find the
You
area
can share with Brandon. These pillows are for special. You can share with them. Grande, why don't you turn around and share with her? Why would we multiply the length times the width to find the area?
So we can find the total.
But tell more. Why? How does that help?
Because we can multiply what we find.
Why? How would that help us? Let's push our thinking. Why would that help us?
It will help us to find.
Let's come back together because I'm hearing a lot of people say the same thing, and we want to push our thinking and really understand why we multiply to find area. I heard a lot of people say we multiply to find area because we want to find the total. That's true. We want to find the total amount of squares, but why multiply the length times the width? What's the point? Maya, I'm looking to see who's tracking.
To multiply it to find the whole thing of the whole area of the bedroom.
That's true. We are going to find the whole area. But if I know that the length means the columns and the width means the rows, then why would we multiply to find area? Think about arrays. Quincy? Why would we multiply the length times the width? So we can build our strategies that way. That's a good idea.
The area.
Maya?
And you could, and when you draw it, it's going to tell you like the answer on the block if you just cut it into squares.
Right, well, just use with arrays, we multiply the rows times the columns because the rows tell us how many rows there are, the columns tells us how many are in each row, so the length and the width is exactly the same. The length tells us how many columns we have, and the width tells us how many rows we have. The length tells us how many what we have?
Rows.
Length tells us columns, width tells us rows. Length tells us columns, width tells us rows. Good. As long as we know we can multiply area to find area, we're going to be good. Let's look at our question. Track along with me and annotate while I read. I see Maya getting straight to it. Good job, Maya. Maya, you've been really on it. Just like yesterday, Maya. Having flashbacks, +1. Gina's bedroom floor is in the shape of a rectangle. Shape of a what?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. It is 10 feet long and 9 feet wide. What is the area of Gina's bedroom floor? You should right now, if you haven't already annotated, you should be annotating right now. Reread it and annotate your question. I should see you underlining what you know, boxing what you don't know, and circling important words. Kia's already done it. Thank you, Kia. Maya already did it. Her floor is in the shape of a rectangle. It's 10 feet long and 9 feet wide. What is the area of Gina's bedroom floor? There's a very important word in this question that I should always circle every time I see it. What word should we circle every single time we see it in the question, Quincy? Quincy? Area. Do I have a picture of Gina's bedroom?
No.
What do I need to do then?
Draw a model.
We're gonna draw a model right now. Draw a model of Gina's bedroom and label what you know. Draw a model of